Hello friends, welcome to NoteKode. In this session, we will start with the Python series. Our first topic is Python Introduction. Python developed by Kudo van Rossum. Python is fast becoming more than just a programming language. It's now the gateway into the world of big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. What is Python? Python is a general-purpose, high-level programming language. Python makes it easy to express the fundamental concepts of programming like data structures and algorithms with easy-to-read syntax. Why use Python? Python is easy to learn as compared to other programming languages. Python is object-oriented, open-source programming language. Python uses indentation that makes code more readable. Python provides a wide range of libraries and frameworks. Python is used for web and internet development. Python is widely used in scientific and numeric computing. Python is used in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python supports GUI that is used for developing desktop applications. Python is used for software development. Python is used for business applications such as to build ERP and e-commerce systems. Python syntax. Python uses a new line to complete a command rather than using semicolons and parentheses. In Python, we do not use semicolon and parentheses. Python uses indentation, white space, to define a scope of loops, functions, and classes as compared to other programming languages, which often use curly brackets for this purpose. Python first program. Print hello world. Here you can see, in Python, if we have to print hello world, we simply need to write one line of code, print hello world. However, in other programming language, we need to write 4 to 5 lines of code to print hello world. So friends, you can see how easy and readable Python code is. Thank you friends for watching this video. Kindly like, comment and subscribe our channel. In the next video, we will discuss how to install Python in Windows machine.